In this video, I'm going to show you how to smooth curves, circles and polylines in AutoCAD using the fillet command. Start by ensuring your shape is a single polyline by selecting the segments and using the join command. Once the shape is joined, type fillet and press enter. Next, type R to set the fillet radius and enter the desired value for the smoothness of the curves. After setting the radius, choose the polyline option and select your polyline. AutoCAD will automatically round all eligible corners using the specified radius. Larger radius values create smoother, more gradual curves, while smaller values produce tighter transitions. This technique is useful for improving the appearance of technical drawings and creating more organic shapes. You can experiment with different radius values until you achieve the exact look you want. Mastering the fillet command is a simple way to make your AutoCAD designs appear cleaner and more professional. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.